Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to add a custom thumbnail to your YouTube shorts. I will show you how to do that, but all that after this short break. So I have this, my thumbnail. So if you are in YouTube Studio and you give to your short, after that you click in this right here and scroll down, you cannot find the thumbnail, or you have this, you can change the thumbnail on your YouTube mobile. So let's move now on YouTube mobile and like you cannot add it. Okay. So here I'm using PC, the same problem in using the phone. There is no way that work for the YouTube mobile app. So I will show you what you do. So to do that, you can just create your video on your software editing. Here I'm using Filmora. You can use whatever you want. Okay. So I will just bring here the video I have, and I have the upload the thumbnail that I'm going to use it. So you can just break it and make it here. You can use it in the start of the video or in the end, like you see now, and make the time of this image small, okay? Like this. Now let's change position in the start. Voila, you see, is very quick. Now we'll try to upload this video using PC. So I will just click create, upload a video. And if I select upload, all video, okay, now you can see is that I cannot change it, but I will change it in the mobile app. Let's move now to phone. Now we are going to the YouTube studio here in phone. And if I'm trying to add the video, you can see that there is no way I can add it. So I will cancel. So now we are going to use the YouTube app without using the studio app. Okay, the YouTube studio ad, we will use the YouTube ad. Now we go to plus here and we add our short video. Next. Now here we are with the video that we have created and click done. Just process it now and click OK. Now click next. And like you see now that we have created thumbnail in the first or on the start of the video, that he choose the first frame, or if you have choose it in the last, you can select any thumb or any image from or any frame from your video. Okay, so in make it the first one. Now here we'll type alt oh sorry short video. Okay, and here please upload. And voila, you see. And here you can see we have created a short thumbnail for our short video. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye, my friends.